Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in today's class we are going to start a new topic, that is tenses. Okay, so tenses is it basically explains you about present tense, past tense and future tense. There are three types of tenses, isn't it? Okay, so how these tenses will change and what are actually tenses are, I am going to explain you in this video. Okay, so children, before starting the class, follow the steps. Sit in a comfortable position, don't bend your back, make sure you have your textbook and notebook with you and whatever you want for the video classes. Be away from all kinds of sounds and disturbances. And okay, now 2 minutes of meditation. Close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes. This improves your focus. Okay children, so in the last video we have discussed capital letters and punctuations, and this is the last topic for you, that is tenses. Okay, so how many tenses are there? There are totally 3 tenses. There are 3 tenses. And what are those? Present tense, present, past, third is future. Okay, present is what? Now going on. Okay, past is nothing but which is already happened. Future will be which is going to happen. Okay, now I am teaching you, isn't it? That's the present tense. Now I am teaching you the lesson tenses. And past tense will be yesterday I taught you, in the last video I taught you capital letters and punctuations. Future I'm in the coming video I am going to continue this chapter, or I am going to start a new topic. So that is what past, present and future tense. Okay, so I'll give you one simple example. I am writing. Okay, now I am writing. No, I am writing. Okay, so I wrote. I wrote. Writing will become wrote. Okay, because I wrote yesterday about another chapter. Then for future tense, I will write. I will write. Okay, writing, wrote, write. I will write. Okay, so will show you the future tense. So I will write tomorrow. Okay, okay, we'll see few more examples. Okay, so I ran every day. Okay, sorry, I run every day. Okay, next, this is the present tense. I run. So I am running now. No, I run every day. That's your telling. So I ran yesterday. Yesterday, that is past tense. Okay, I ran yesterday. Then future tense, I will run. I will run. I will run tomorrow. Tomorrow is future tense. Okay, so I run every day. So now I am doing it. Okay, present tense. Past, I ran yesterday. Yesterday I ran. So run becomes past tense is ran. I will run. I will run. So tomorrow I will run. That is what the future tense. Okay, so okay children, see, I have written one sentence for you. They play cricket. They play cricket. So I am telling you now that these players are playing cricket. They play cricket. They play cricket. So if I want to write in past tense, like already yesterday they played. Okay, so what I will write? They play will become played. They played cricket. They played cricket. Okay, so this is present tense and this is past tense. Future tense will be easy, no? They will. Only add will. They will play. Okay, they will play. They will play cricket. Okay, so what you want to learn in this chapter is how present tense is converted to past tense and past tense to future tense. Okay, play, played, will play. That is what the translation. These are nothing but tenses. Okay, this is nothing but tenses. Okay, present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, children, did you notice that play, played, will play? Play is what, children? Cricket is a game. They are nothing but their group of people. Play is nothing but verb. It's an action, isn't it? So tenses show you about the actions. So it depends on the actions what you are going to do. Okay, it is an action. Okay, so I taught you in verbs, no? So there are helping verbs and there are main verbs. So these are the main verbs: playing, running. Previous example I told ran, isn't it? Run, ran, isn't it? Writing. All these are nothing but action words. That is, it is showing you the action. Okay, so tenses basically describe an action which is done now, which is done yesterday, and which will happen tomorrow. Are you understanding? So these are action words. So play, played, will play. So this play is nothing but an action, isn't it? That action has been converted based on the situation. Either they are playing today, either they have played yesterday, or they will play tomorrow. Are you getting? This is what the actions. So not only these main verbs, tenses will depend on helping verbs also. Helping verbs in the sense, like for example, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay. Then yesterday was Sunday. Then tomorrow will be Tuesday, isn't it? If today is Monday, then the previous day will be Sunday and the coming day will be Tuesday, isn't it? Yeah, that is what. So what I am going to tell you here is helping verbs. These are helping verbs, isn't it? Is present tense. Is will become was in past tense. Then it will become will in future tense. Not only play, played, will play. These also will change. Is, was, will. Similarly, is, was, will, like has, have, had. Okay, or has, have, had, will have. So this is present tense, this is past tense, and this is future tense. All these are helping verbs. I hope you remember. Is, was, will. Has, had, will have. Okay. So this is what, children, present to past, past to future. But in your syllabus, in this lesson, you are going to study only present to past tense. Only present tense and past tense. Okay. Future tense in second standard you will study. Okay. So we will see only how to convert words from present tense to past tense. Okay. Okay, let us see few words which from present tense to past tense. For example, play. Play will become played. Play will become played. Next, go. Go will become went. Go will become went in the past tense. Okay. Do. Do becomes did. See here. Are you getting? Do becomes did. Ring. Ring becomes rang. So bell rings. Okay. That is what? Not this ring. Okay. So ring becomes ran. Repeat. Play. Played. Just by adding ed. Okay. It will become past tense. Go. Went. Go. Went. Do. Did. Do. Did. Ring. Rang. Ring. Rang. We'll see few more. Okay. Laugh. What's the past tense for laugh, children? Laughed. Add ed at the end. For few words you can add just ed, and for few words it will totally word will change. Like how? Go, went. Totally change, no? And for few words only adding ed will become past tense. Okay. Laugh, laughed. Next, dance. We all love dance, no? So dance will become danced. Dance will become danced. Then next, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Sang. S-A-N-G, sang. Next, take. Take. taken. Take will become taken. See, repeat children. Play, played. Go, went. Do, did. Ring, rang. Laugh, laughed. Dance, danced. Sing, sang. Take, taken. Okay, I hope you understood it. Then in textbook I am going to solve few more for you. First main and second main we are going to solve, and the coming video we'll do few more examples. Okay. Hello children. Okay, now we are going to continue it. So as I taught you present, past and future tense, topic is tenses only for this. Okay, so we have discussed the this topic with examples, and I told you that we are going to just read present tense and past tense this time. Okay, once we'll go through again. Okay, present tense, they play cricket every day. Past tense will be they played, so play will become played, and future tense will be they will play cricket tomorrow. Okay, so every day, yesterday, tomorrow will also indicates the present, past and future tense. He is singing a song now. He was singing a song yesterday. He will sing a song tomorrow. Okay, is singing, was singing, will sing. Today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Sahil has 50 rupees now. Sahil had 60 rupees yesterday. Sahil will have 40 rupees tomorrow. Has, had, have. This will change. Okay. She studies English every day. She studied. Okay. Studies will become studied. She will study. Okay. I hope you are understanding, children. I'm just don't see the sentence. Okay. Just concentrate on the words, how they are changed from present tense, past tense and future tense. Anu is 11 years old now. She was 10 last year, and she will be 12 next year. Okay. So what is basically changing from present, past and future? She was, is, was, will be. As I told you, we are going to solve few exercises. Okay. This is the first exercise. Okay, children. Write in the blank whether the following sentences show past, present or future. Okay, they need to show you. We have to show them whether it is past tense, present tense or future tense. Read the sentence and see. I shall see you next year. I shall see you next year, next week. Okay, sorry, next week didn't come yet, children. It is going to come, isn't it? So shall, I told you, no, will, shall, would, all these are future tense. Okay, so next week is what indicates the future tense, because we didn't see that next week what is going to happen. Okay, so this sentence is future time. Future time. Next, Shruti was born in 1985. So she is already born, children, isn't it? So it is was, no? Was born. So if you tell your date of birth, what will you say? Like if you tell like I was born in November 2015, 2016, like this if you tell, you are already born, no? You are there, no, in this earth. So it is past tense, no? So the Shruti is telling about her year of birth. So they have used was. So Shruti was born in 1985. That is what, children? Past time. Then they were selling ice cream. They were selling ice cream. So selling, no? So they were. So were is used because there are plural, no? They is nothing but plural, more than one. Okay. They were selling. Shruti was singular, so I have used was. They means many people. So they were selling ice cream. So I have used were. So for singular was, for plural were I have to use. So they were selling ice cream. Even this is past tense. So you're coming and telling in your home like they were selling ice cream, so I ate it. Okay, were is past tense again, past time. Next, I eat an egg every day. I eat an egg every day. So every day. So we have seen an example here, no? Every day will come in present tense. So it is showing the present situation. So present time. He returned from Mumbai at 5 o'clock. So he has already come. He has already come from that place, no? He returned. See here, ed. He returned from Mumbai at 5 o'clock. So that is past tense, past time. The stars are shining in the sky. The stars are shining. So are is what, children? It's a present tense, no? You are telling this sentence now, that you are looking at the sky and you are telling the stars are shining in the sky. Okay? So this is the present. We'll see now. Rest. My uncle lives in Kolkata. So you're telling, so this sentence is direct, that my uncle lives in Kolkata. So lives is a present tense. Now he is living there. Okay, present time. We shall play a match tomorrow. So tomorrow will show future tense, future time. I lost my pen in the bus. Lost, you have already lost it. So present tense for lost will be lose. Lose, lost. Okay, lost is a past, past time. My friend has a car. So you're telling that my friend has a car. That's the present tense. Has. I told you, no, has is a present tense. Had is a past tense. Has is present. Present time. Okay, children. I hope you got this. Okay, children. So this is another main. Write the correct form of verbs in the blanks below, and as in examples. So today, yesterday. So today is nothing but it's a present tense. Yesterday is a past tense. Okay, what we are going to write? Present is this, past is this. So they have given you an example. I play, I played. I go, I went. So they have used I so that it will be helpful for us to remember. Okay, play, played. Go, went. So similarly you have to do other thing. I do, I did. So do becomes did. Do becomes did. I ring, I rang. Ring becomes rang. Ringing a bell, rang. He already rang the bell. I dance, I danced. Ed you have to add. I wake, I woke. I laugh, I laughed. I take, I taken. Sorry, it's took. Okay. I laugh, I laughed. I take, I took. I sing, I sang. I throw, I thrown. I build, I built. T. Okay. I put, I put. So put will not change, children. We don't write putted. Okay. So this is just to, like, you have to remember verbally. Okay. What will be the past tense? When you go to higher classes, you will have many rules to convert the present tense to past tense. Like I told you, for few words, laugh will become laughed. Like put will be put only. You don't have to change. And sing will become sang. Take will become took. So there will be rules. When you go to higher classes, you will learn. But for now, you learn so much. Okay, just you have to know verbally. Put, past tense for put is put only. Beat, beat. Bring, brought. Meet, met. Tell, told. Write, wrote. Come, came. Hide, hidden. Stop, stopped. Shake, shaked. So rest we'll do in the next video, children. Okay, thank you.